天黑然无热。
This bookcase is for her bedroom.
你不就家子呢？该能干什么给你？
Please look at number 62.
哈内啦，自61个能日间的，
Please listen and repeat.
强来的，得让得干的就没事的。
What are you going to do?
去阿妈个来说呢？
I'm going to herd sheep.
不可能得拉来说。
What are you doing now?
去到阿妈个呢？
I'm herding sheep.
不可能得拉呢？
What are you going to do?
去到阿妈个呢？
I'm going to eat some mutton.
不可能没还蛮个爹个呢？
What are you doing now?
去到阿妈个呢？
I'm eating some mutton.
不可能没还蛮个爹呢？
What are you going to do?
去阿妈个呢？
I'm going to swim in the river.
不然日就洗得来说呢？
What are you doing now?
去到阿妈个呢？
I'm swimming in the river.
不然日就洗得呢？
What are you going to do?
去阿妈个呢？
I'm going to ride this horse.
不年没人能分那个呢？
What are you doing now?
去到阿妈个呢？
I'm riding this horse.
不年没人能分那呢？
What are you going to do?
去到阿妈个呢？
I'm going to run across the field.
不到你个家人规矩多个呢？
What are you doing now?
去到阿妈个呢？
I'm running across the field.
不你个家人规矩多呢？
Please look at number 63.
哈内啦，到自63个能日间的。
63 is a song.
自63个都啊，
Please listen and repeat.
哈内啦唱啦，地大这么些的，
My Bonnie.
没能 skill 了困，
My Bonnie lies over the ocean.
没能 skill 了困大理人，
My Bonnie lies over the sea.
没能 skill 了困海人，
My Bonnie lies over the ocean.
没能 skill 了困大理人，
Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me.
哦，没能 skill 了困呢，大多少人？
Bring back, bring back.
多少人？多少人？
Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me.
哦，没能 skill 了困呢，大多少人？多少人？
Bring back, bring back.
多少人？多少人？
Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me.
哦，没能 skill 了困呢，大多少人？
Oh, blow, you winds, over the ocean.
哦，请你看呢，大理人头。
Oh, blow, you winds, over the sea.
哦，今天看呢还是秋。
Oh, blow, you winds, over the ocean.
哦，今天看呢大力的秋。
And bring back my Bonnie to me.
当然我们那是跟了可能大多少。
Bring back, bring back.
多少，多少。
Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me.
哦，我们那是跟了可能大多少，大。
Bring back, bring back.
多少，多少。
Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me.
哦，我们那是跟了可能大多少。
You winds have blown over the ocean.
今天看大力这个的秋家。
You winds have blown over the sea.
今天看海这个的秋家。
You winds have blown over the ocean.
今天看大力这个的秋家。
And brought back my Bonnie to me.
当然我们那是跟了可能大多少家。
Brought back, brought back.
多少家，多少家。
Brought back my Bonnie to me, to me.
我们那是跟了可能大多少家，大。
Brought back, brought back.
多少家，多少家。
Brought back my Bonnie to me.
我们那是跟了可能大多少家。
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
你都是记得这块的，还能有的，谁打死个的？
What is your name?
My name is Yang Hongyuan.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Where is your home?
I live in Dongguo.
How many brothers do you have?
I have two brothers.
What are their names?
One is Zhen Miao, one is Dan Jian.
What is your name?
My name is Li Lian.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Where is your home?
My home is Wushi.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you study English?
Yes, I studied English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
还能有了，印出来嘛，我那时候呢开始了吧？
Today, let's begin with number 64.
你都是不大个是64个是开始了。
Please listen and repeat.
还能有了，没是乱的大就没是的。
Nima lives in the countryside.
你妈农村人手家，
He has a large home.
干的是干什么的呢？
The home is made of adobe.
干什么呢？修了是什么？
Nima and his wife, Goshjin, made the home.
你妈跟别人的感情和听的是什么？
Nima and Goshjin live in Shigal.
你妈的感情我了是该的手家。
The countryside is very beautiful in spring.
你农村春天的活的晒干了，
There are many green crops.
天涯喊个 ngon tongje ina
There are many families who live in Shigal.
scale de ahang chinsa ina
Nima and Gashjin are very happy to live in the countryside.
ni ma da ka shung la lun sir su gu khudra la na
Nima is a farmer and Gashjin is a farmer too.
ni ma la ka chinga ka shung ya la ka chinga
Nima and Gashjin have one baby.
ni ma da ka shung de ni ka plewa
His name is Limusishiden.
kanen ran lam tan wa
Limusishiden is 1 year old.
lam tan ni ka na silja
He is a big, strong baby.
cash ka hatant ki plenga
Nima is 25 and Gashjin is 24.
ni ma khurn thavna ka shing khurn dirana
They are Monghulla.
tek Mongghulla
Their nationality is Monghulla.
tek ne sabratne Mongghulla
Now it is morning.
to stejiwa
Please look at number 65.
hanela to zli shu go na riel de
Nima and Gashjin are talking to each other.
ni ma da ka shung la tha sharal de na
Gashjin, what are you going to do?
ka shung cha ma ga lashkuni
I am going to feed Limusishiden. He is hungry.
pol lam tan no chti lashkuni kal na sha
He is crying.
kavlana
What are you doing now?
sto amagni
I am feeding Limusishiden.
pol lam tan no chti ni
He is not crying now.
kan do vlangwa
What are you going to do, Nima?
ni ma to cha ma guguni
I am going to eat.
pu chlashkuni
I'm hungry too.
pia la sha
What are you doing now?
to cha magni
I am eating.
purteni
What are you eating?
chi yar deni
I am eating some mutton.
pu khun ma khamang deni
The mutton is very good.
nya khun ma kha khut se na
I am eating some bread.
pust man gi jir deni
It is very good.
tia khut se na
And I am drinking some tea.
putrang chan gi juchni
The tea is very good too.
ne cha ya khut se na
It is hot tea.
ta halang cha wa
It is not cold tea.
ta khri den cha pcha
What are you going to do, Goshjin?
嘎讯多啥么姑姑呢？
I am going to wash the dishes.
不念弟子很话姑呢？
What are you doing now?
吃到阿么个呢？
I am washing the dishes.
不念弟子很话呢？
What are you going to do, Nima?
你妈多啥么姑呢？
I am going to work in the fields.
不还接着那玩了去？
Goodbye, Goshjin.
嘎讯谁打死呀？
Goodbye, Nima.
你妈谁打死呀？
Please look at 66.
都喊那了，这历史旅馆那些了。
Please listen and repeat.
喊那了，抢了的股大家就没晓得。
Now it is afternoon.
都吸入了家。
Hello, Nima.
嘿，你妈，
Are you tired?
去大家呢？
No, Goshjin.
瓜个嘎讯，
I am not tired.
不一大家瓜。
How are the crops in the fields?
还接着个庄稼，俺们还给个。
They are fine.
天黑谁呢？
They are growing well.
天黑俺个那谁呢？
The crops are fine.
天庄稼黑谁呢？
What are you going to do, Goshjin?
嘎讯，啥么个姑娘？
I am going to cook.
不是打了去。
You are hungry. I am hungry. And Limudanju is hungry too.
去落下，不落下，那么单独的落下。
What are you doing now, Goshjin?
嘎讯，啥么个呢？
I am cooking.
不是打你。
What are you cooking, Goshjin?
嘎讯，去啥是打你？
I am cooking some soup.
不夸man个是打你。
It is good soup.
天谁呢宽个？
What are you going to do, Nima?
你妈都去什么姑姑呢？
I am going to eat some soup.
不夸man个是打了是呢？
What are you doing now, Nima?
你妈都啥么个呢？
I am eating some soup.
不夸man个去呢？
The soup is hot and it is good.
你夸还老那记得谁呢？
It is mutton soup.
你胡那么还夸哇？
What are you going to do with that large flower vase, Goshjin?
嘎讯，去天是个去酒盆子了，什么姑姑你个呢？
I'm going to put it on the new radio, Nima.
你妈不念那新的水银子的呢？给过你，
The flowers are lovely.
你去去谁喊呢？
Don't do that.
Ting big.
Give it to me.
Tian dawa.
What are you going to do with it?
Chitala yamaguni.
I'm going to put it here on the table.
Punyana triki. Shiridra.
Be careful.
Sanjangla.
Don't drop it.
Rajastanash Habidi.
Don't put it there, Nima. Put it here on this large box.
Nima, Tiana 3 pigi. Tiana 3 kiti. Nyashka hahatdra.
There we are.
3 pudakti ye.
It's a lovely large face.
Nyashka seha mama panzinga.
Those flowers are lovely too.
Techchik yesehana.
My brother gave me the flowers this morning.
Mana agadik new makshi nechinandawa.
What are you going to do, Nima?
Nima, to chama guguni.
I'm going to take off my coat.
Bu tina tiluguni.
What are you doing now?
Bu tina muskuluni.
I'm taking off my coat.
Bu tina tilni.
What are you going to do?
To chama guguni.
I'm going to put on my coat.
Bu tina muskuni.
That is a beautiful coat, Nima.
Nima, ni seha mama dilga.
Yes, it is.
Hola, tenamba.
My mother made this coat.
Ni dil manama yusana.
She gave it to me this afternoon.
Ten yudro shrutan dagwa.
What are you doing now?
To chama gni.
I am putting on my coat.
Bu tina musni.
What are you going to do, Gashjin?
Kashin, to chama guguni.
I am going to turn on the radio.
Bu shin nidgi.
What are you doing now?
To chama guguni.
I'm turning the radio on.
Bu shin nini.
What are you going to do, Nima?
Nima, to chama guguni.
I'm going to turn the radio off.
Bu shin haguni.
What are you doing now?
To chama gni.
I'm turning the radio off.
Bu shin haguni.
What are you going to do with those English books, Nima?
Nima, chita yinz pchukla ama guguni.
I'm going to take them to my sister, Lamala.
Bu tekni ajidna lamla da abjishkni.
Lamula is studying English.
Lamla yinz surgudralana.
What are you going to do with those letters?
七天写了阿妈姑姑呢。
These are my father's letters.
天黑没拿把那信呢。
I'm going to send them to my father.
不天黑呢，阿爸的那可是就是去。
What are you going to do with that small coat?
天黑没拉地了，去阿妈姑姑呢。
I am going to give it to my brother, Rashdan.
不阿个地的呢，热山的话的个。
What are you going to do, Nima?
你妈都去阿妈姑姑呢。
I am going to leave.
不有个呢。
What are you doing now, Nima?
你妈都去阿妈个呢。
I am leaving.
不有呢。
I am going to take the English books to my sister.
不阿地的呢，在饮食不行呢，阿不拉西呢。
I am going to give my small coat to my brother.
不阿个地的呢，没那么拉地呢，过来西。
I am going to send the letters to my father.
不阿爸的呢，那先跟着过来西。
Goodbye, Gashjin.
谁打死呀？干训。
Goodbye, Nima.
你妈谁打死呀？
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
你都是记得是亏呀，还那了，谁打死的呀？
What is your name?
My name is Li Zhengru.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
What is your name?
My name is Dechun.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Hello, everyone. Where are you going?
去安吉去呢？
I'm going to Shigel too.
不也是开的去呢？
What is your job?
去那工作呀呢？
I'm a student.
不学上个。
I study at the Huzhu Nationalities Middle School.
不好做嘛，我县民族准学是40年。
I'm a second-year student.
不1年只能学生意。
How old are you?
这可的那是了吧？
I am 14.
不喊上敌人呐？
What is your name?
去那这样呢？
Gashjin.
干训。
What is your job?
去那工作呀呢？
I'm a student too.
不也学生个？
I study in Xining.
不外在40年。
I study Chinese, English, geography, chemistry, and physics.
不起得英语字了化学的无了说着你
Your Monghulla clothes are very smart, Nima.
你嘛其实蒙古的那结婚的活得谁干呢
Thank you.
起码改了个吧
My mother made them.
但那么意思呢
Your Monghulla clothes are also very beautiful.
其实蒙古的也谁干呢
Did your mother make them?
其实那么天黑意思呢
No.
瓜
I made them.
不意思呢
Are you tired?
其大家呢
Yes, I am tired.
不一大家
Please sit here.
其实人手的
Thank you very much.
其实活动个改了个吧
I am very tired.
不活对大家
Now, please look at number 69.
到海内了这60几个人家
Please listen and repeat.
没西不拉古大家没西的
Is there a passport on the table?
谁这活动个呢
Yes, there is.
谁呢
There is a passport on the table.
谁这活动个呢
Is there milk in the bottle?
浪花是送呢
Yes, there is.
谁呢
There is milk in the bottle.
浪花是送呢
Is there a milk bottle on the table?
谁这送浪花个呢
Yes, there is. There is a milk bottle on the table.
谁呢谁这送浪花个呢
Is there milk in the kitchen?
做饭的送呢
Yes, there is.
谁呢
There is milk in the kitchen.
做饭的送呢
There is milk in the bottle on the table.
谁这个浪花个这送呢
Is there a spoon on the plate?
他把这土没西呢
Yes, there is.
谁呢
There is a spoon on the plate.
他把这土没西个呢
Is there a tie on the chair?
日子是领带个呢
Yes, there is.
谁呢
There is a tie on the chair.
日子是领带个呢
Is there a chair in the room?
看着他日子个呢
Yes, there is.
谁呢
There is a chair in the room.
看着他日子个呢
Is there a loaf of bread on the table?
Shredra Stamamangina?
Yes, there is.
Trina.
There is a loaf of bread on the table.
Teshredra Ahangastamayina.
Is there bread in the kitchen?
Tuhandastamayina?
Yes, there is.
Trina.
There is bread in the kitchen.
Tuhandastamayina.
There is a loaf of bread on the table.
Shredra Ahangastamayina.
Is there a hammer on the table?
Shredra Twingina?
Yes, there is.
Trina.
There is a hammer on the table.
Shredra Twingina.
Is there a box of tea in the room?
Kartranga Bozachayina?
Yes, there is.
Yina.
There is a box of tea in the room.
Kartraguta Shredanga Bozachayina?
Is there a vase in the room?
Kartra Hwapangina?
Yes, there is.
Trina.
There is a vase on the radio in the room.
Kartragu Hwapara Shindra Hwapangina.
Is there a suit in the bedroom?
Chachingas Delgina?
Yes, there is.
Trina.
There is a suit in the wardrobe.
Delgijin Shandra Delgina.
Is there tobacco in the living room?
Chachingas Yanina?
Yes, there is.
Trina.
There is tobacco on the table in the living room.
Chachingas Shred Yanina.
Is there chocolate in your bag?
Chinikapur Chukilina?
Yes, there is chocolate in my bag.
Yina, Mana Titura Chukiltingina.
Is there cheese in your home?
Chinuktanelu you?
Yes, there is cheese in my home.
Manukti ye.
The cheese is in a bag on the table.
Chanelu Shri Tragukaburwa.
Is there a newspaper in your home?
Chinikasta Putzing you?
Yes, there is a newspaper in my home.
Danukta Putzing ye.
It is on the television in the living room.
Chachingas Gu Dancerva.
Is there a car on the bridge?
Kwarkatra Chingina?
Yes, there is a car on the bridge.
Kwarkatra Chingina.
Is there soap on the dressing table?
Telgijin shire fizong inanu.
Yes, there is soap on the dressing table.
Telgijin shire fizong ina.
Is there a bird in the tree?
Shuzra shing inanu.
Yes, there is a beautiful small blue bird in the tree.
Shuzra segam mlathi shing ina.
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
Nigdur jidrukria, Hanila sidas kaldia.
What is your name?
My name is Yang Hongye.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Where is your home?
I live in Dongguo.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
What are their names?
One is Zhen, one is Dan.
What is your name?
My name is Li.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Where is your home?
My home is Wushi.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you study English?
Yes, I studied English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
Hanela snisa, Yinzula Mangwasrugnu Keselva.
Today, let's begin with number 70.
Nigdur Budak Chisgola Keslia.
Text number 70 is a story.
Chisgo Kusa Nantarga.
The name of the story is The Singing Dog.
Neranas Necharajin Nuhui.
Please listen and repeat.
Hanela Chola, Tidra Michildo.
This is Shigel many years ago.
Hutterstedenu, Skaildo.
A mother and her son live here.
Amangda Kugurna Sujiguna.
They have no money.
Tekta Sergua.
They are very poor.
Tek Hutani Donna.
They live in the countryside.
Tek Lunsun Soja.
Their home is a brown adobe house.
Teknukutana Burun Tki Shirumanga.
They have no cattle, no yaks, no sheep, no goats, no camels, and no fields.
Tekda Asqua, Masqua, Hunagua, Yimagua, Tmyangua, Taranga.
They have no animals.
Tekda Kasta Asqua.
They eat roots.
Tek Yambisan Shimangerdiana.
Today, the mother says to Nima, her son, "Go look for a job."
Newtron Yaman Kudana Nimat Clegunu. Kuntu Yirlashia.
We have no money.
But after Sergua.
If we have no money, we have no food.
But after Serguisa Jus de Gunugua.
That day, a rich man wanted to move his animals to a new grassland.
Tetrno Bayangkung Kastasana Shinus Tlang the Yuragikna.
He asked Nima to help him.
Can Niman Yangelaji Nigapamon and Yurajuakja?
Nima said yes.
Nimata Lukunakja.
Nima is helping the rich man to move his animals to a new grassland.
Nimachita Payankun Bomolje Kastas Nina Shinus Tlangra Yuraja.
Nima is riding a large white horse.
Nimashket Hitch Hamurgufnija.
The rich man is riding a large black horse.
Nepayankun Skaharamurgufnija.
They are working. They are not lazy.
Teki Yuna. Tekalangua.
They are very busy.
Tekhutamana.
They have finished moving the animals.
Tekakastasna Yubraga.
Now, the rich man will give Nima some money.
Tone Payankun Nimata Seruguna.
The rich man has a dog.
Nepayankun Nuhingina.
The rich man says, "Dog, do not talk."
Nepayankun Cleagunu Nuhi. Be clear.
The rich man is gone.
Nepayankun Yusha.
Nima and the dog are alone in the rich man's large home.
Nimata Nuhigula Payankun Kutana.
The dog is singing a song.
Nenuhi Tung Dulana.
Give me some food.
Dar de Gungwa.
I will tell you a secret.
Puchma Mzmzung clear.
Give me some food.
Dar de Gungwa.
I will tell you a secret.
Puchma Mzmzung clear.
Nima is surprised.
Nimana Quaker Jinglasha.
The dog can speak Monghulla.
Nenuhi Mongolestana.
Nima gives some food to the dog.
Nima Staman Gijin Huiduja.
The dog is hungry.
Nenuhi Lasha.
The dog is eating the food.
Nenuhi Stmaners Dena.
The bread is very good.
Nest Mahutasena.
The dog is happy.
Nenuhi Hutapesha.
The dog tells Nima, "Ask the rich man for me."
Nenuhi Nima the Cleagunu. Tapayankunu Kastanu Dachklia.
Do not ask for money.
Sail Piklia.
The rich man returns.
Nepayankun Hararja.
He asks Nima, "What do you want?"
Kanima the Sagunu. Chiachleguni.
Nima says, I want the dog.
Nima klegunu. Punya nukhinu tralano.
I do not want money.
Puser li tralano.
The rich man is surprised.
Ne payang kunu kwarjing lagasha.
He gives Nima the dog.
Ka nima tu chanukhinu washa.
Nima is at home.
Nima kutnarja.
His mother is surprised.
Amanu kwarjing lasha.
Why do you have a dog?
Chama ka nukhinga khleja.
We cannot eat the dog.
Patek ne nukhine yirdem.
Nima's mother is angry.
Nima na amanu chilaja.
She is not happy.
Tepes chekwa.
Later, the dog becomes a beautiful girl.
Khuina chanukhi sega mamat ki shung de frasha.
She is a good cook.
Testaje sena.
Nima marries her.
Nima tela ji khulasha.
They find much money.
Tak ahang ser lashirja.
Their life is very good.
Taknu turti kunu khta sena.
They have many children.
Taktu pli lwana.
Nima's mother is happy.
Nima na amanu khta besha.
She is now a grandmother.
Cheto ani dalaja.
Their home is very beautiful and they have many animals and many fields.
Taknu khutnu to khta sena. Taran takhde karta asta tonjaksha ahang yina.
Now, let's learn another story.
To budak kuran antarke yansuriya.
Please look at number 71.
Khaneila. Zi chishgana rjeldo.
The name of this story is The Frog Child.
Ne nantarn ranu cha bawak ble.
Nima and Lamula are old.
Nima da lam la gurla stulaja.
They have no children.
Takdu ble gwa.
They are sad. They are not happy.
Taku pofalaja. Taku pese gwa.
Nima is angry at Lamula because they have no children.
Ble gula nima lam la sa khut jilana.
Lamula is angry at Nima because they have no children.
Lam la nima sa khut jilana. Ble gula.
Today, Nima and Lamula go to Gumbum.
Neuter. Nima da lam la gurla hukumbisha.
They pray for a child.
Tek yangilaje bling pangchi khklena.
1 year later, Lamula's thumb becomes very big.
Nika fana khina kha lam la na ska khurno khutshkang lasha.
Nima takes his long Tibetan knife.
Nima tia stur tivarch tonavra.
The Tibetan knife is sharp.
Ta tivarch twa khjedwa.
It is not blunt.
切莫斯瓜
He cuts Lamulla's thumb.
看拉姆拉呢是个或者你呢是多了下
A frog jumps out.
把娃个得了还是家
It is not a child.
切不灵个不下
It is a frog.
切把娃个
Nima and Lamullah are surprised.
你妈的拉姆拉或了过是经了下
They want a child.
切个不灵个潘个呢
They do not want a frog.
切个把娃个潘个瓜
The frog says, Lamullah and Nima, you are my mother and father.
切把娃克个呢拉姆拉你妈他给么那阿爸的阿妈哇
I am your son.
不他可能哭啊
Nima and Lamullah are surprised.
你妈的拉姆拉呢过是经了个下
The frog can speak Monghulla.
切把娃忙我过来是的呢
The frog is now 16.
你把娃到还上结婚那是的
The frog wants to marry a beautiful girl.
你把娃到咱今天选个了结婚了给个呢
Nima and Lamullah say, You are a frog.
你妈的拉姆拉个克个呢去把娃个
You are a good frog.
去谁还提把娃个
But no girl wants to marry a frog.
把娃了都结婚了给是提选个瓜
The frog's son says, I will marry a beautiful girl.
他把娃可能克个呢不咱今天选个了结婚了给
The frog is going to a rich man's home.
他把娃咱白安提困个呢哭的那下
He says very loudly, I want to marry your oldest daughter.
干是个的那克个呢不亲的最是个选了结婚了给
The rich man laughs.
他白安可能心里的你能还是结婚呢
You are a frog.
去把娃个
You are not a man.
去困个不下
You cannot marry my beautiful daughter.
去么呢咱今选了结婚了但
The frog says, If you do not give me your daughter, I will hop.
他把娃克个呢去大选了以后啥不得了给
The rich man says, You may hop.
他白安困克个呢去得了
I will not give you my beautiful daughter.
不咱今选了去么一万
The frog is hopping.
你把娃得了西个呢
The earth is shaking.
还加我得了你个呢
All the people are afraid.
还能一了爱西个呢
The rich man says, You may marry my daughter.
他白安困克个呢去么能选了结婚了
Please stop hopping.
七弟比得了，
The frog stops hopping.
你把我弟得了就归个呢。